you want to know another way how to spoil your pet birds with every bite of love? I'll show you how to do that just in today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isla, for those of you who don't know. Today I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys to learn how to make your own homemade bird chop. Without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off, we're just gonna find a bunch of veggies that we have in our kitchen. So what I found was carrots, peppers, some sweet little peppers, celery, cilantro, broccoli. So some of these vegetables, they were not super fresh, but as long as they aren't rotten, even if they're a little bit withering, you could still peel off the bad parts, cut off the bad parts, and use them. But I've got some fresh romaine lettuce. So you're gonna wanna cut off the bad parts and go through, cut off things that aren't edible, and then put them into a strainer because we're gonna be washing them. So I just put a yellow pepper, lettuce, and those little peppers. I have some leftover broccoli that I'm pretty sure was already washed. Same with the celery, already washed. And here's this little bit of cilantro that I picked out. Here's the radishes I'm gonna be using. And now we've got everything, and I'm rinsing it thoroughly, trying to scrub off any dirt and debris. Now I've decided to peel the carrot. This is optional, but I just felt like it'd be cleaner and better if I did peel it. And I removed the hard stem part from the peppers. You can keep the seeds in them. I did peel the radishes though because they were kind of old and not that great. The insides were still fine though. Now I'm just cutting things up into smaller pieces. You don't need to cut it up super tiny because I am going to be putting these in a food processor. Look at all those fresh ingredients. It looks like it'd be good for a salad. As always, the best quality ingredients you can get are gonna be good for your bird. Also the freshest, and if you can, organic is better. Usually I make this at least every 2 months or so. I make a very giant batch. This recipe I'm making right now yields about 12 cups. So now I've got some rolled oats and lentils and quinoa. So this part we're going to be taking grains and legumes. You can use beans too. And we're going to be cooking them since I didn't have any pre-cooked. I'm cooking them on the stove, but you can cook them in a rice cooker. So now while everything's cooking, I'm gonna be throwing my vegetables into a food processor. I'm just gonna put as much as I possibly can into it. And then I'm going to pulse it. You can also use the high setting. I just need it to be finely chopped up. So now I'm just pushing stuff down because there might be some bigger clumps at the top. And I'm going to be adding more vegetables before pulsing it again. So in between doing the vegetables, I'm also making sure to stir the stuff on the stove. I turned down the heat a little bit just because I need it to boil faster. And I'm going to be dumping out the finely chopped veggies and adding more to repeat the process. Now I'm just pushing the stuff down again and giving it another pulse to make sure everything's nicely cut up. This batch looks more red, looks kind of like salsa. And now I'm just adding this into the other batch of the chopped vegetables. Make sure that you get all the bits. I try not to waste much food. And now I'm just going to give it a good mix to make sure all the vegetables are evenly distributed. Now I'm just checking on the lentils and quinoa again, making sure to mix them and check if they're done. Now I have some rice that I'm going to be adding in. This was already pre-cooked. The lentils were not ready, so I'm going to be prepping the oatmeal and starting to cook that. I'm cooking in the microwave because that's just faster. You might need to add more water for the lentils and quinoa if they're still not fully cooked. to make sure the oatmeal doesn't explode in the microwave, I'm just stirring it at intervals. Once I'm done, I'm rinsing it to get rid of the sticky starch. I'm removing the starch because in the past I didn't do it and their food was a little bit stickier and they just didn't like eating it. So now I know I'm just gonna rinse everything to make sure that it's not sticky. I'm just mixing it and rinsing it for a few times until that bubbliness is gone. Now you can see that you can really see the whole grains. It doesn't look all mixed together. And I'm adding the rice to this bowl with it to mix together. This bowl will be for the other grains too and the lentils. So if there are any clumps in your rice, just make sure you're mashing those apart so that you get everything nicely mixed together. So now the lentils and quinoa are done cooking. They are done when they are soft, so you can taste these, eat it if you want. And like the oatmeal, I'm going to be rinsing these off just to cool them down, but also just in case they're sticky at all. Again, like I just said, you don't want it to be sticky because then the birds will probably not like to eat it. Now I feel like they're not sticky anymore. I rinsed it decently well, I think, and I'm going to be mixing these with the rest of the grains. Once I have these thoroughly mixed, I will then start adding the vegetables to this. I'm now pouring the veggies into the mixture and trying to mix it really well because there's so much stuff, but I want everything to be nicely, evenly mixed. Now I'm going to be storing these away, so I am dividing them into batches that I think will last me about a week. And I store these in the freezer, and if you need to get more out from the freezer to thaw for the next day or so, I would just put it in the fridge for a day to let it thaw. I wouldn't microwave it because I feel that when you microwave it, it affects the flavor and then the birds don't seem to like it as much. And there you have it, some chop. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below because I love hearing from you. I added the link to download this recipe in the description box below if you want it. Also, thank you for tuning in today. Your support means the world to me. Have a fantastic day. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!